all present here. Once again, we are going to discuss about mathematics part 6 of number system. Today in this class, I am going to discuss about laws of exponents. We have some laws. On the basis of that, I am going to discuss some problems. That would be the last part of this chapter, number system. Please have a look. Laws of exponents. Let a greater than 0, b greater than 0 be real numbers, and let m and n be rational numbers. Then a raised to power m into a raised to power n. So the exponent is nothing but it is a power. So we are going to see the game of power here. How? Please see. When the base is same, this power is going to be added. The exponents are going to be added. See here, a division sign, this both the power will be subtracted with m minus n. A is a base, this power and this outside power, both power is going to be multiplied. So a to power mn, a to power m, to power n. So both the power should be going to should be multiplied. Here the power is same in both the base, so you write ab to power n. Over here, power is one power is here, ab to power m. You can split like this, a to power n and b to power n. Over here, a by b. So when the power will get into, so it will be a to power m by b to power n. Next laws, a to power minus n. So you have to write a to power n or a to power 0 is 1. See how it is 1. Instead of a to power 0, you write a to power 1 minus 1. That is a to power 1 into a to power minus 1. The property, first property, a laws we can apply here. Over here, a into a to power minus 1 is 1 by a. Cancel, you are getting 1. So these are the laws of exponents. Now on the basis of that, I have taken some problem here. 1 to 6 problems are there. We are going to discuss how I am going to make use of these laws over here. Okay. Now come to the first question. Evaluation. Evaluate this. See, it is cube root of this. So first of all you write 343 raised to power minus 2. Outside this cube root, it should be written 1 by 3. So it should be 343. Both the power is going to be multiplied because as per the property 3. So minus 2 into 1 by 3 is minus 2 by 3, and 343 you can write 7 to power 3 raised to power minus 2 by 3. This should be cancelled. We left with 7 to power minus 2 is 1 by 49. Very easily we have applied laws number 3 over here. How we are going to multiply this power and this power. Easily we multiply, where you multiply 3 cancel, 7 to power minus 2, and here again we have applied this laws number 7. 1 by 7 to power 2 is 49. Okay. Now look at second question. Again it is the fifth root. The 32 to power minus 3 outside it become 1 by 5. 32, but again you multiply minus 3 by 5. 32 is nothing but you can write in the 2 raised to power 5 in this way. Minus 3 by 5, this 5 cancel. 2 to power minus 3 is 1 by 8. Please have a look. Minus 3 by 5, 2 to power 5 cancel, 1 by 8. Over here also we have done like this. 49. Now come back to the second question here. Prove that 2 to power x minus 1 plus 2 to power x by, rather we say over 2 to power x minus 1 plus 2 to power x over 2 to power x plus 1 minus 2 to power x. Take the LHS, my dear student, left hand side, बाएं तरफ. 2x minus 1 plus 2x plus 1, 2 raised to power x plus 1 minus 2 to power x. So you take common. So what is common here? if I am taking 2 to the power x common, so over here when you take out 2 to the power x, so we left with 2 to the power minus 1, and this part you have taken 2x, so we left with 1. 2 to the power x we have taken common here, we left with 2 minus 1. Is it? No problem at all. 2 and this 2 to the power x have taken out, so we left with 1. This would be cancelled here. And here again 2 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 2 plus 1. In the denominator it is 1. Take the LCM. 1 plus 2. 2 will be in the denominator. It becomes 3 by 2 is equal to RHS. Anything else here? No. 2 taking LCM. So it will become 3 by 2. 2 will come down. So it is nothing but 3 by 2, that is RHS. One more step we can write here, 3 by 2, this 2 automatically it will come down to denominator is equal to 3 by 2. I hope it is clear to all. Now look at the third one. See here, we want the value of x and the power is here 1 by 12. So better you take 12 times, 12 power you take both sides. X 1 by 12th power you take both sides. 12th power we are taking both sides. So what happened? Again mn multiply, we left with x only. This 12 cancel. And over here 49, this time 2 times it is 1 by 2. So it is x equal to, again you write 49 in terms of power, 7 to the power 2. 1 by 2, 2 cancel. Now it is 7. Is it? No problem at all. So it is, answer is 7. The value of x is 7. You put the value of 7 here. 7 to power 1 by 12. Check. And 7 square 2 by 24 is 1 by 12. It's satisfying here. No issue at all. Similarly, look at question 4. Always write in power because this chapter is based on laws of exponents. So 125, write 5 to power 3 is 125x. 5 to power 2, and this goes up 5 to power minus x. So it gives you, again you multiply these two. So 5 to power 3x equal to 5 to power 2 minus x. When the base is same, the power must be same. 3x equal to 2 minus x. So x will come here. It becomes 4x equal to 2. So we have x equal to 1 by 2. Let us check it out whether it is okay or not. P by 2 is coming and we are putting here, yes, the value of x is 1 by 2. Again we check it out. For your information dear student, nothing to worry about this. 125, write 5 to the power 3 x. 25, write 5 to the power 2. This will goes up 5 to the power minus x. See the property 7. Now come here. This is going to multiply 5 to the power 3x equal to 5 to the power. Base is same. Power will be added 2 minus x. Plus minus minus. Base is same here. The power should be equal. So 3x equal to 2 minus x. X will come this side. 4x. X equal to 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. Now come to the next problem. Question number 5 here. Yes, student. 5 to the power x minus 2 into 3 to the power 2x minus 3 equal to 135. Write. What are you going to write? 135. Find the factor. 3, 4 is 12, 45. 3, 15 ja. 3, 5 ja. 5 is 15, 3 is 45, 3 is 135. So you write this in the form of power 3 to the power 3 into 5. So if we equate both sides as per the condition by hit and trial method, see 5 and 5 if we equate, so x minus 2 equal to 1 or 2x minus 3 equal to 3. Is it? For what value of x is going to satisfy? So x equal to 3 here. Also you are getting here x equal to 6 by 2 is 3. So when you put x equal to 3, so you are getting here 5, here you are getting 3. So 3 to the power 3 into 5 is satisfying. The value of x is 3. By this way, sometime we have to solve. Okay. Now come to the very important things. How to find uh, write in the descending order of magnitude. Dear student, if nothing is there, if it is written 2, 3, 5, I can easily say that as per magnitude 5, 3, 2 is would be the answer. But over here, we have to just rewrite this thing. So you write 2 1 by 3. Square root of 3, you write 3 1 by 2. Then you write this, you write 5 1 by 6. Okay. Now see the denominator of this power 3 2 6. So LCM of 2 3 6 is 6. So again you write this 2 1 by 3, right? We have to make the denominator same. So write 2 by 2 here. So it is coming 2 by 6. Bring the power inside, and this 1 by 6 is outside. You can write. So it is 4 1 by 6. Over here the same thing, 3 1 by 2. Now we want denominator 6. 6 is here. 2 3 just 6. So we multiply 3 by 3 is coming 3 by 6. Again you bring the numerator inside the power form. It is coming 1 by 6, 27, 1 by 6. 3 to the power 3 is 27. Again here 5 1 by 6, 1 by 1 only. So 5 1 by 6, you keep it like this. So we are finding that the power is 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. So which one is the greater as per the magnitude? 27 1 by 6 greater than 5 1 by 6 greater than 4 1 by 6. So it's quite easy for us to solve this. Now decode this one. 27 1 by 6 is nothing, it is root 3 greater than 5 1 by 6 we are talking about, that is nothing, that is we have same thing 6 power, and next is 4, we are talking about the cube root of 2. So this is greater, second one is this, and the last one is this. So this is your final solution. So dear student, what I am trying to tell you that this video is based on laws of exponents. Okay, do more and more practice at home. So I have given you 6 videos based on chapter number system, and one by one we discuss with the different books also, and try to capitalize those concepts on the given assignment also, exercises, questions also, and I wish that you will do better in the coming assignment and all the relevant questions. Thank you very much. Till then, goodbye.